Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3. We will present about biological pesticide of use of biological agent, fungi and bacteria for pest control. Before we start, let me introduce our member. My name is Apni Jelang Milani Syuhada with student number 190. My friend Sarina Indira Murliani with student number 198. Amalsya Ika Rohmi with student number 77. Johannes Matanari with student number 5. And Iksanul Ihwan with student number 6. The main problem in the agricultural production process to date is the presence of pests that attack cultivated plants. The control method that is often used by farmers is to use chemical pesticide. The continuous use of chemical pesticide that can cause damage to the environment and make pest resistance. One of the steps that can be taken is by controlling which involve the manipulation of natural enemies. Topic of discussion. First, which mushroom can be used as biological control agent. Second, bacteria which can be used as biological control agent. And the last is mechanism of fungi and bacteria in biological control. Biological control is defined as the manipulation of a population of beneficial living organisms called natural enemies to reduce the number of pests or the amount of damage caused by pests that involve an active human role. Biological control consists of predators, parasitoid, and pathogen.
And next, Bevivaria bassiana fungi. Bevivaria bassiana occurs naturally in the soil as a saprophytic fungus. Fungal growth in the soil is strongly influenced by soil condition. These fungi can cause disease in insects as a bioinsecticide. The working system of the fungus Bevivaria bassiana spores first enters the body of the host insect through the skin, digestive tract, spiracles, and other holes. In addition, the inoculum of the fungi that attach to the body of the host insect can germinate and develop to form a sprout tube, then penetrate the cuticle of the insect's body. Next. Penetration is carried out mechanical and chemical by removing an enzyme or toxin called piperigin. This antibiotic can cause disruption in the hemolymph function of the DR, resulting in a hardening swelling that causes damage to body tissues and in a matter of days. Next.
Next, the fungus Metarhizium anisophilae. The fungus can be used as a biological agent for insect control, both insects that attack plants and antagonistic organisms in the soil. This fungus can cause disease. The death of insect can be caused by the toxin released by the fungus. Mushroom Mycelium is reported to be able to produce metabolite compounds that are toxic into insect. Infect insects from the other groups are Orthoptera, Coleoptera, Hemiptera, Lepidoptera, and Hymenoptera. Fungal hyphae that grow on dead insect body parts can spread to other insects on contact and are supported by environmental conditions. Next.
Okay, the fungus Trichoderma sp. Colony Trichoderma sp. VDA grows rapidly and can reach 9 centimeters in diameter in just 4 days with a temperature of 20 derajat. Even at 25 derajat, it only takes 3 days. We can see the picture. Antagonist mechanics by Trichoderma sp. in inhibiting the growth of pathogen, including competition, parasitism, antibiosis, and lysis. Next. Bacillus subtilis bacteria. Bacillus subtilis is a gram-positive, root-shaped, single-celled, catalase-positive fraction, aerobic or facultative, anaerobic, and heterotrophic. Bacillus subtilis bacteria can be found in water, soil, air, and plant debris. These bacteria produce various types of proteaceae, enzymes, and other enzymes that can degrade natural substrates. Bacillus subtilis is one of the bacteria that form spores, and when applied to seeds or sails, the bacteria can colony plant roots. These bacteria can compete and suppress disease causing fungi such as Rhizotonia, Fusarium, and Aspergillus.
Okay, and the next is bacteria Pseudomonas fluorescens. Pseudomonas fluorescens can be found anywhere, such as on the surface of leaves and roots. Decomposed plants remain soil, water, and animal waste. It has the ability to grow in temperature range of 35 till 37 degrees. The optimal temperature range is 25 till 13 degrees, with a minimum growth temperature of 4 degrees and maximum of 41 degrees. Fluorescence is root balancing bacteria that produce salicylic acid and phytoalexin, which induce plant resistance to pathogens. The picture is this is because P. fluorescens has a plant growth promoting rhizobacteria, can reduce plant growth hormones, including indole acetic acid. Next, Pseudomonas bacteria bacteria. In addition, P. putrida is a bacterium that grows optimally at room temperature and is aerobic. P. putrida bacteria are saprophytic bacteria which can be found on water and soil. Pseudomonas sp. bacteria able to produce various secondary metabolites such as antibiotics. HCN and competing utilizing of Fe through the production of siderophores, which can suppress the growth of pathogens naturally. These bacteria also produce antibiotics such as penazine, pyrrolitrin, pyocyanin, and chlorogluconol, and extracellular enzyme and pseudomonic acid. These bacteria can also suppress the development of plants disease with competition for space and nutrient or carbon element. Stimulate plant growth and induce plant resistance. One biocontrol agent might have more than one mechanism. Next, we say thanks to ladies and gentlemen for accompanying our group, and we say thank you.